Hey again. I am super starving, so I decided the first thing I'm going to try is the hummus with the chips. So nutritional content, 200 calories, total 9 grams of fat, carbs is 24. I dose my insulin because I'm type 1 diabetic. I dose my insulin based on the total carbs, so it's higher than I would like, but not terrible. Honestly, I'm really not good at figuring out the net carb. Someone seriously schooled me on this because I've always been confused on this. I think it's you minus the dietary fiber and the total sugars. So that makes it, what, 19? Am I right? Or do you leave the sugars there? That's where I kind of have been confused. I do better on the, when the package says it out for me. So I'm going to open this up one-handed, best I can here. That was funny. That was not good. I'm glad I only got one of these because for some reason I thought they were like a bean, whatever, special chip. So try this and see. It's really good. Super delicious. I also have some celery and stuff that I've already had here, so I might switch out the chips, or maybe just not have as many of the chips, and then have some celery. Anyways, I recommend the hummus for sure. Thanks for watching, guys, and check out the link in the video. And if you want to try Hungryroot, you can save $15 off of your first order. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.